Welcome back to the details. President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi directed to develop flexible marketing policies for Suez Canal in proportion with the current world economic circumstances and the impacts of COVID-19 pandemic that would preserve navigational movement rates of the Suez Canal. The head of state's directives came during his meeting on Sunday with Prime Minister Dr. Mustafa Madbouli, Presidential Advisor for National and Strategic Projects Engineer Sharif Ismail, and the head of the Suez Canal Authority Osama Rabia. Presidential spokesperson Ambassador Bassam Radi said the meeting tackled the authority's recent activities and new projects of the Public Authority for Suez Canal Economic Zone. Radi added that during the meeting, President al-Sisi was briefed by the latest rates of the canal's navigational movements during the past period amid the pandemic repercussions and the numbers of ships passing through the waterway, as well as its revenues during the past months. The meeting also discussed to upgrade process for the main sectors of the Public Authority for Suez Canal Economic Zone, including development of capabilities and human capital, as well as expanding investment projects. Minister of Health Dr. Hala Zaid announced that the first phase of COVID-19 inoculation campaign is underway and added that Egypt had signed a deal over 100 million doses of vaccines. Zaid said Egypt is to receive 86 million doses of AstraZeneca and Sinopharm vaccines within few hours. The minister's statements came during a press conference held with the head of the scientific committee, Dr. Hossein Hosni, over the latest COVID-19 developments. She said large numbers of medical staff members have been vaccinated so far. Zaid also praised the work of the committee following up the COVID-19 repercussions, asserting it's responsible for approving the vaccines that are being used in the fight against the pandemic. For his part, Dr. Hosni said Egypt is a pioneer in swiftly dealing with the pandemic since the start. He said the health ministry has worked on 3 levels: modifying treatment protocols in accordance with developments, training all doctors on Egyptian treatment protocols, and launching research and publishing them in medical magazines. He reiterated that the health ministry seeks a 100% recovery level. In a related context, Egypt has reported 600 new coronavirus infections, bringing the total number of cases to 177,543 people since the outbreak hit the country in mid-February 2020. The health ministry also reported 48 new deaths, bringing the total number of fatalities to 10,298. The ministry added that 405 patients were discharged from quarantine hospitals, raising the number of those who have recovered to 137,294 people. The General Commander of the Armed Forces and Minister of Defense, Mohammed Zaki, was in the UAE capital Abu Dhabi to take part in the activities of the 15th International Defense Exhibition IDEX 2021 and the Maritime Exhibition NVDEX 2021. On the sidelines of the exhibition, which lasts until the 25th of February, General Zaki will hold talks with a number of counterparts and high-ranking officials from various participating countries to discuss means of promoting military cooperation and exchanging expertise. A large number of companies specialized in the defense and military industries worldwide are participating in the event to display the latest in the field of military production and manufacturing of modern technologies and defense capabilities. The novel coronavirus has killed at least 2,461,254 people since the outbreak emerged in Wuhan, China in December 2019, according to a tally compiled on Sunday. The United States remains the worst affected country with 497,600